Hello everyone! For this special date night, we are going to be unboxing some FabFitFun boxes. We're gonna start with unboxing Jordan's. We'll show you guys what's inside, and then we're gonna move on to mine. Hey, are you guys ready to see mine?
I am.
Okay, let's get that out of there. Jordan's. I don't know if you guys are ready for the size of this box, but it is massive. But as always, super cute packaging on the outside. Love this. This is the fall FabFitFun box, and let's check out what's inside. So I already opened it, just so you guys know. I couldn't wait. Okay, get rid of that. And get rid of that, but we'll keep it kind of close so you can read it. Hey, let's dive right into this baby. Okay, let's start with this thing. So here's the first product. So this is the Glow Milk liquid highlighter. So it's vegan, nourished with coconut and argan oil, and it's in the shade Blind Date. What do you think about this product, Jordan?
It's good.
So I was really excited to get this product because I actually don't really have a highlight that I like. So let's just try this out right on camera. So I should show you what it looks like, I guess. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. I don't think I got enough. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh, baby. Blind Date. I might have put a little too much on. Here, let's just put some on the other side.
So what does highlighter do?
Highlight makes you glisten.
Okay.
Okay, I put way too much on. It's supposed to make you look like sun-kissed. Yeah, just ignore the side of the face. And that's very unfortunate. That's gonna be on me for the rest of the video. This is valued at $19.50. All right, on to the next item. This is a pore cleansing clay mask by the brand Erno Laszlo, New York. This is what it looks like. This is one of the products that I got to choose. They give you options. So like, look how big that is. There's definitely like 30 masks, or like I could use it like over 30 or 40 times.
Gonna do a face mask tonight?
Yeah, we should do one. Let's just open it up to see what it looks like. Purify, balance, control, and detox, baby. So yeah, I'd say Jordan and I honestly might do one of these tonight. This is worth $48, so that's pretty expensive actually. But I can see why it would be so expensive. It's so big. Anyways, on to the next product. Okay, so this next product screams fall because it has a pumpkin scent. So this is a facial cleanser. It is by the brand Feel, I believe. This smells amazing. It smells like everything you want from fall and everything more.
It smells like a pumpkin spice latte.
Exactly. So yes, I'm probably gonna use this tonight to wash my face. And I love the leaves on it. That's so cute. This is valued at $28. So this is actually really good because I'm almost out of my face cleanser. So something I need is something that I want to get in my box. What's next? Okay, and the next item is a Petty in a Box. So this is something I've never really seen before. Also, of course, pumpkin spice because it's fall, baby.
And everything nice.
It says includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits. Oh, so you and I could both do one if you wanted.
So I give you a pedicure and you give me one?
How about...
Or you get 2 pedicures or I get 2 pedicures.
How about I get 2 pedicures? There's a sea salt soak. There's a sugar scrub. A mud mask. Oh, I need that for my feet.
Ooh.
And then a massage butter with pumpkin extract. Okay, so I'm gonna open this baby up. Oh, this is cool.
It's like a 4-step process.
Yeah. So that's what they look like. Ooh, this is cool.
Do you like when I pass you stuff?
Yeah.
The stocking.
So what am I doing?
Sorry, it's getting late.
Okay. This is valued at $20. So I'm really excited to try this, if you guys couldn't tell. Okay, and let's talk about the elephant in the room. I think this is why the box was so big.
It's kind of boring, this bag, don't you think? Not much to it.
So yeah, this is a tote bag. It is by the brand Montcure, New York. Right there. So this is pretty simple. This was also one of the items I got to choose. It was either this or a book bag purse. And I already have a book bag purse. I don't usually really wear it that much. So I'm like every weekend I go somewhere. So I feel like this is a good like traveling bag. So I feel like I'll put my like laptop in this, maybe like my makeup bag or something. So anyways, black for fall. You see me hitting the town like this?
Oh yeah.
So anyways, this is actually, I'm pretty sure, valued at $128, which is pretty expensive.
Nice.
I would probably never pay that for this, but I'll definitely use it. Okay, so this next item is a treatment mask.
Another mask.
Well, I thought it was for my hair though.
No.
Yeah, it's a hair mask.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so this is a hair mask. And this is sick because I've been wanting a hair mask. Although I did just get my hair cut, so I feel like things are pretty healthy. I'll leave my hair down, I think.
Cute.
So yeah, I feel like my hair is pretty healthy right now, but I mean, I'm always using heat and everything on it, so I'm excited to try this and see how that goes and see if it actually makes a difference. I like the smell of it.
Ooh.
What does it smell like?
Hemp lotion.
Yes, it does smell like my hemp stuff. This is by the brand Nature Lab, just so you guys know.
Do you pick and choose what you want?
Yeah, so like, for instance, this is, you know how I said there was a book bag I could have chosen from? That's the book bag I could have got, or this.
Like, how come some of the other stuff isn't in here, like the straightener?
Because I chose something else over this.
Like, you give them what you like.
Yeah, so they send you an email and you get to choose like certain products.
What if you
They
don't
give you
choose?
options.
They just pick for you then?
Yep. Good question. The second last item. So this is a stress reliever natural hair oil. Right here. So it says it's a liquid RX stress reliever, 100% natural Ayurvedic hair oil. Give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. What kind of shocks me though is that this is valued at $75. So I don't know if that's like the brand or what, but I'm kind of interested to try it out. How's your wine?
Good, thanks.
You need a refill.
Getting low.
Use your fingers to apply oil into scalp. Massage lightly. Oh, shampoo and rinse an hour later. I was gonna put it in my hair, but I don't really want to wash my hair, so. But
No,
like,
thank you.
we can smell it though. Oh, well, there's a lot in this. Doesn't really smell good.
No?
No. I was kind of shocked, but I was expecting it to smell really good. But anyways, I'll give that a try next time I'm stressed out. Or maybe just on a Sunday because it's Sunday. You're making a lot of noise over there. Okay, you guys, I am obsessed with this item. It is my favorite by far in the entire box. and it's something that I actually wore last night. It's trendy, it's cute, it's expensive.
It's FabFitFun.
I feel like this is definition. It's FabFitFun.
It's more the fab part.
It's
of the
fab, but it's also fun. Without further ado, this is my next item. It is by the company Jenny Bird, and you guys can see what it is for yourself.
Some ice.
It is a thick bracelet that I'm obsessed with. I love the chunky chain that's so in right now. And I love how she mixed the colors of metal. We got gold, we've got brass, we've got silver. I love just like the texture. Do you want to help me put it on?
Sure.
Well, I actually read in their magazine that Jenny Bird is from a small town in Canada, which I find really cool since I'm from a small town in Canada. So that's what it looks like on. It looks so cute.
Love it.
Oh my god. I'm obsessed with it. Oh, look. And also, you guys,
Ah, Jessie, it's blinding.
my highlight is poppin'. Like, you guys, that's
Poppin'?
That's some good stuff right there. So this bracelet is valued at 160 US. I'm so excited to have something like this. And I've been wanting a choker that looks like one of these. So I was actually on their website today because I'm falling again for their branding and their marketing. I'm getting their products and then I'm actually going and trying to buy more. And it came with this card. And on the back, it actually says, get 20% off with code JBFAB20. Anything on their website, I can get 20% off. So I think I'm gonna order myself a like gold chain.
Cha-ching!
Cha-ching! For a little more bling. Oh, that was my last item. Sadly, there's nothing left in my FabFitFun box.
Until you meet again.
Until next season, I guess. I want everyone to comment down below what was your favorite item in Jordan's box and what was your favorite item in my box. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this, because obviously I'm gonna be doing this for my winter box.